Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by eliminating simple blockers. Confirm your internet connection and the device clock, because mismatched time can break sign-in tokens. Once done, update the Gmail app or your browser and try signing in via an incognito tab. This removes cache and extension interference. If that fails, prepare your recovery options. The phone and recovery email you set earlier, along with recent password changes, so you can quickly use Google's account recovery flow or verify identity when prompted. Next, work through Google's account recovery screen step by step. Give precise answers and dates for recent actions, because accuracy increases success odds. Make sure two-step verification settings haven't locked you out. If they have, use backup codes or an authenticator app. Then review your devices and security activity. Remove any unknown devices and revoke questionable third-party app access. If you suspect compromise, reset your password to a strong, unique one and create an app-specific password for older mail clients. To finish, reinstall the Gmail app or reset your browser to defaults, then retry signing in. This clears lingering configuration errors. Make sure Modern OAuth is used. Enable less secure app access only as a last resort temporary measure for legacy clients. Once signed in, reapply strong security, update password, re-enable two-step verification, and record backup codes. If you remain blocked, submit the Google support form with proof, the device, exact date, and IP used. This one troubleshooting tip often unlocks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.